So hello my dear students, today in this class we have discussed about the exercise number 2.4. Okay, in last class we already saw theorem. Okay, which theorem? The similarity triangle. Okay, areas of triangle theorem. Okay, so see here, this is first question. Let triangle ABC is similar to, okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeters square and 121 centimeters square if EF, the side EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter. Then we have to find the side BC. Okay, the given triangle are, see here, ABC. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. The next EF side is 15.4 centimeter. Okay, 15.4 centimeter. And now we have to find BC. Okay, now see here the given data. Okay, what they given here? The area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeters square and area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 centimeters square. Next, now we have to find the side BC. Okay, the given side is EF. EF is 15.4 centimeter. Okay, so in last class we already studied about their theorem. Okay, what they say, if the two triangles are similar and their ratio, okay, the ratio of their corresponding area is equals to their corresponding, the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, so right here the area of triangle ABC divided by the area of triangle DEF is equals to their corresponding sides are same in the ratio. Okay, now we need only this side. Okay, see here BC and EF. So right here BC divided by EF. BC divided by EF. So put this value in equation number 1. Okay. See here 64 divided by 121 is equals to BC, right, as it is divided by EF. Okay, it is the value of EF here 15.4. Now we have to solve BC. Okay, so BC is equals to 64 into 15.4 divided by 121. Is it right? Next, see here 15.4. Okay, see here 15.4 centimeter. The next 15.4, I think 15.4 centimeter square. Okay, centimeter, because the area is in which unit? Square unit. Is it right? So you have to take here BC square and EF square. Next, here BC square, EF square, then BC square is equal to 64 into 15.4 into 15.4. Okay. Next, see here 64 divided by 121 into 15.4. It can be written as 154 divided by 10. Is it right? Next, into 154 divided by 10. Next, see here BC. BC is equals to, or we have to first remove the square unit. Okay, first we have to remove the square unit. BC is equals to, now this square I have to shift in right hand side. Okay, the square becomes now square root. Now 64, square root of 64. What is the value of square root of 64? A. Is it right? See, I will make another one step. 64. Okay, 64 into the square root of 15.4 into 15.4 divided by the square root of 121 is equals to, the square root of 64 is 8 into 15.4 into 15.4, the remaining is 15.4 divided by the square root of 121 is 11. Is it right? Now see here, 8 divided by 11 into 15.4 we can written as 154 divided by 10. Next, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Is it right? Now see here, 4 4s are 16. Okay, write 6 here, take 1 carry. Next 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1 21, so 2 take carry. And 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 6 divided by 55. 11 5s are 55. Is it right? Next 15 1s are 15, sorry 55 1s are 55, and here 55 1s are 55. Okay, 55 1s are 55. Then next 61 minus 55. So 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 6, 1 carry 0. Now this 6 becomes 66. So 55 ones are 55. Okay, then 55 minus 11. Is it right? Now point, take 1 point and take here 0. So 15 twos are 1 1 10 and the remainder is 0. So 55 twos are. Okay, your answer is 11.2 centimeter. Okay, BC. Is it right? BC is equals to 11.2 centimeter. Is it right? So please note down this and now move towards the next question. Question number 2. Now see here, this is question number 2. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD, okay, with AB is parallel to BC, intersect each other at the point O if AB is equal to, okay, this is the given data, AB is equal to 2 CD. Find the ratio of area of triangle AOB and COD. Okay, find the area of triangle AOB and COD. First now we have to prove these two triangles are similar to each other. At that time only you have to find the ratio of the area of these triangles. Okay, so let's prove first these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, so first we have to draw trapezium A B C D. Okay, why we have to draw trapezium like that? Because the given here AB is equals to 2 CD, which means AB is greater than CD. Okay, AB is or CD is 2 times greater, 2 times smaller than AB. Is it right? So that's why we have to draw like that. Next, intersect each other at the point O. Is it right? At the point O. The next, CD is parallel to AB. Okay, so first we have to write the given data in a trapezium. A B C D. Okay, A B C D with AB is parallel to DC and AB is equals to 2CD. Okay, now see here. In a triangle, which triangle AOB and triangle COD, AOB and triangle COD, see here AOB and COD the corresponding angles are equals to each other. Which corresponding angles here? CF. Okay. These are the two corresponding angles are equals to each other. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Is it right? So right here, the angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Next, now another one angle we have to prove. Okay, equal. At that time, now we can say that this triangle AOB and triangle COD are similar to each other. Okay, see here, see this angle, or you can take another angle. Which angle? See here. Okay, so angle OAB is equals to angle OCD. Okay, which angle these are? Alternative angles. Okay, alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles are equals to each other. Okay, so now we can say that by angle criteria, the triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Okay, so now we can write the area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equals to AB is equals to 2CD. Okay, so here AOB, what is the base of triangle AOB? AB is the base. So AB square divided by CD square. Okay, COD base is CD. Okay, CD square, and is equals to now see here, AB is equals to 2CD. Okay, so replace the value of AB here. 2CD square divided by CD square. Okay, the given data. Next, see here, 2 2s are 4. So 4 CD square divided by CD square, right, as it is. Then CD square get cancelled. Is it right? So 4 divided by 1. Okay, now we get the ratio of areas of triangle AOB and areas of triangle COD. Okay, right? Area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD. Okay, this is your answer. So please note down this and now move towards the next question. Okay, question number 3. So now see here, this is question number 3. Okay, in the given figure, okay, this is given figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. Okay, so BC, this is the common base on both triangle. Then if AD intersect BC, okay, AD is intersect BC at the point O, then we have to prove that the area of triangle ABC and the area of triangle BBC is equals to the ratio AO divided by DO. Okay, so write first the given data. Okay, we have to write first given data. What's given data here? BC. Okay, BC is a common base. Okay, next see here, in triangle ABC and DBC, BC is common base. Okay, next what they given, if AD intersect BC at point O. Okay, next now prove that. What we have to prove here? To prove that the area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC. Okay, so now is equals to AO divided by DO. Next, proof. Okay, before proof we have to draw here one perpendicular line. Okay, it is perpendicular to BC and it is also perpendicular to BC. Now right here, draw AL. Okay, use L and that point we have to say M. So AL, draw AL is perpendicular to BC and BM, it is also perpendicular to BC. Now proof. First we have to find this ratio, okay, AO divided by DO. By finding this AO divided by DO, first we have to prove this triangle ALO and triangle MDO are similar to each other. Okay, so let's prove triangle ALO in the triangle ALO and triangle MDO. Okay, ALO and DMO. Okay, ALO and DMO. Now see here, it is perpendicular to BC, which means this angle is 90 degree, and it is perpendicular, DM is perpendicular to BC, which means this angle is 90 degree. Is it right? Now see here, the angle ALO is equals to angle DMO. Okay, because the both are 90 degree angles. Now see here another one, angle vertically opposite angles are equals to each other. So write angle LOA is equals to angle MOD. Vertically opposite angles are equals to each other. Now we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. By which criteria? The criteria by angle criteria. Okay, by angle criteria, the triangle ALO is similar to triangle DMO. Is it right? So the triangle ALO is similar to triangle DMO. At that time, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Is it right? So right here, AO divided by DO is equals to AO divided by DO is equals to AL divided by DM. AL divided by DM. Is it right? So now right here, the area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equals to what is the formula for finding the area of triangle? 1 divided by 2 base into height. Is right? So 1 divided by 2 into what is the base of ABC? ABC base is given, okay, BC. So write BC into height. What is the height of triangle ABC? Triangle ABC. The height is AL. So write here AL divided by 1 divided by 2 into what is the base of DBC? BC is the base. BC is the base. See here, BC. Okay, so BC is the base and DM is height. So DM is height. Is it right? Now 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2 get cancelled. BC get cancelled. The remaining is AL divided by DM is equals to AL divided by DM. Okay, so it is called the equation number 1. Now here by equation number 1 we can write the area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle, which triangle now? BBC. Okay, BBC is equals to, have to write directly AO divided by DO. AO divided by DO. Why directly have to write AO divided by DO? Because we already proved that the AO divided by DO is equals to AL divided by DM. So AL divided by DM, now replace the value by AO divided by DO. So hence prove. Okay. So please note down this answer. And now we shall start here. In the next class, we will go into the next question. Okay, question number 4. Thank you.